Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ost, the guy who makes 8-bit music. And I have put a link to it in the video description, so if you like that kind of stuff or you're just curious of what it is, then check it out. Today we are going to do an unboxing experience review of the Asus ROG Crosshair VII HERI X470 Motherboard. And you may be thinking, well, what is this then? You said that you were going to stay on the X370 because, you know, switching the different processors for generations and all that. But I actually got this as a birthday gift from my lovely wife, and thus I am going to switch. I can't really not. And I'm of course very excited because this is like the best X470 motherboard that you can currently get, so I'm gonna have some fun with it. You can expect more videos on the subject, but without further ado, let's get right into the actual box. And you just lift it up like this, which I appreciate. Makes it very easy. And then you are greeted with, like, the box itself has a nice little compartment here that you can put stuff underneath. Then you have the plastic that covers it. Then you have Aurora that is curious as to what it is. And the actual motherboard itself is, I don't think that there's actually anything like this. This is what it looks like. Very nice. Very massive. The VRMs and everything. And this is like completely smeared with RGB, by the way. So that's really cool. I wonder if I suspect there might be some stuff underneath it, but I guess no, it's just plastic. I'm gonna have to take it. See what this is. No, it's just plastic. So what I'm gonna do, in fact, is I'm gonna take this, and we've gotten a good look at it, and here's what it looks like on the back. Very nice experience to unbox. And you get this. There's a bunch of stickers that you can use for all kinds of different things, and as you can see, they are reflective, so that's nice. You get like a sheet of stickers for the actual the ROG logo and all that stuff. You get coaster, which, why not? Just join the Republic. And then the choice of gamers. This antique thing, I don't even know if anyone has CDs anymore, but if you do, you get the driver CD. This is a code for cable mods. Probably shouldn't be showing you that though, but it doesn't matter. I'm probably not going to use it. And then you get some quick start guide, and then you get Republic of Gamers thank you card, warranty information, quick start guide, this and this and that, and then instruction manual, pull a little tab, and so underneath it you get your M.2 screw, you get your, I think this is the high bandwidth SLI bridge, you get another set of M.2 screws, and this thing, this is the Q connector, the tiny little thing, so you can plug in the power and the reset switches and all that, and then just stick it directly on the motherboard, so that's nice. You get SATA cables, more SATA cables, and I believe that that concludes the actual review. Lots of stuff in the box. I'm gonna have to give this a 10 because there was really nothing to complain about. You just get more and more stuff in the box. Nothing was difficult to get through. There was no goddamn tape. There was cats to keep me company, and I'm of course very excited to see how this new product pans out, and you can be sure that I will be uploading some videos maybe when the build is finished. Oh, and you can also use it as a cat house, of course. So yeah, more videos to come from me, and again, I make 8-bit music, so if you like that kind of stuff, check it out in the video description. And see you all next time. Bye.